Okay, good day everyone. So let's move to our topic, what we call Laplace transform. So before that, let's try to familiar with our Laplace transform table. So this is what we call inverse Laplace and its equivalent Laplace transform. Okay, so f of t is equivalent to Laplace transform of f of s. So f of s, we have the integral of 0 to infinity f of t e to the negative st dt. Okay? For our u of t, we have 1 over s. And we have u of t is equal to 1 over s squared. This is our equivalent Laplace transform. And this is inverse Laplace. Then n, t of n t is equal to n factorial over s n plus 1, then e to the negative u of t, that's u of t, that's the equivalent Laplace transform 1 over s plus a, then sine wt is equal to w over s squared plus w squared, and cosine wt is s over s squared plus w squared. For the exponential function, we have a of t is equal to 1 over s minus a, and for the time exponential, a of t is equal to 1 over s minus a squared, and t of n at is equal to n factorial over s minus a n plus 1, and we have the first derivative dy over dt is equal to sy of s for the functions for Laplace. We have the second derivative d squared y over dt squared. For this time, we have s squared y of s. Then rt is equal to rs d dc t sc s and the rest. Okay, you should familiar this one, what we call Laplace transform table. Okay, so we have here an example. Find the inverse Laplace of f of s is equal to 1 over s plus 3 squared. So this given equation is in the form of Laplace transform. What we are going to find is the inverse Laplace. Okay, this equation is 1 over s plus 3 squared is 1 over variable of s squared is equivalent to this one, and 1 over s plus 3 is equivalent to this one. Okay, let's write 1 over s plus 3. So the equivalent for this one, that is e negative a t u of t, wherein a is equal to 3. And let's try for the its equivalent, 1 over s squared, that's equal to this one, tu of t. Okay, let's combine all in all, that's become e negative a t u of t, and okay, the same with the value u of t. So have directly we have t u of t, wherein a is equal to 3. So the inverse Laplace for this given equation, f of t is equal to we can write this one e negative for the value of a 3t, that's u of t. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay, so we have here another example. Find the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 4e to the negative 4tu of t. So we're going to find the Laplace transform of this given equation. So we have f of s is equal to integral of 0 to infinity f of t e to the negative st dt. So we find this one for our Laplace transform table. Okay? For this one, we have so f of t for the equivalence, so we have 0 to infinity. Our f of t, we have given this one. We have 4e to negative 4t e negative st dt. Okay? So we have this one. We have a constant value for 0 to infinity e to negative 4 t e st dt. So the same e. So we have 0 to infinity, that's e. Okay, that's r all equivalent to negative 4 plus s t dt. Okay, so this one we have 4 over negative s plus 4, just the same as this one, for t negative s plus 4 t, such that 0 to infinity. So we have negative 4 over s plus 4. So we have the value for e negative natin s plus 4 times infinity minus e negative s plus 4 0. Okay? So this one is negative. Okay, this one is negative 0. And this one is negative 1 minus 0. So that's negative 1. That is negative 4 over s plus 4 times negative 1. That's equal to our f of s. For Laplace transform equivalent for this equation, we have 4 over s plus 4. This is our okay, we have here another example. Find the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to s plus 3 over s squared plus 4s plus 13. Okay? I will write here the equivalent Laplace transform table. Okay? So, kopyahin ko muna dito lang sa gilid. We have e 80 cosine bt is equal to s minus a over s minus a squared plus b squared. And we have e 80 sine bt is equal to b s minus a squared plus b squared. Okay, so I already have a conversion for the inverse Laplace going to Laplace transform. This one, this e 80 cosine bt is equal to s minus a over s minus a squared plus b squared, and the other one. Okay, so this equation, let's try to convert this equation into its perfect square. Okay, perfect square, and for the value for b. Okay, since let's try to copy f of t or f of s is equal to s plus 3 over s squared plus 4s plus 13. So to find its perfect square, we have 4. So 4 over 2 is equal to 2. 2 squared, so is equal to 4. Okay, find the value po, we have 4 over perfect square of 2. Okay. Okay, we have perfect square. We find already the perfect square equal to 2. So s plus 3 over s squared plus 4s plus 4. Okay, this is now when we convert it into perfect square. So minus plus 13 plus 13 then minus 4 to balance the equation. Okay. What next is to convert this one into s minus a squared. So s plus 3 over, so s minus 2 squared. Okay? So it's just the same for this one. So let's start to call s minus 2, s plus 2 pala. S plus 2 then s plus 2. So the same, s squared plus 2s plus 2 times 2, 4. So s squared plus 4s plus 4. Okay? Let's go back to its perfect square. Okay? So 4 plus 13 minus 4, that's plus 9. Okay. But we have to convert this into negative to give this form of our equation. So s plus 3 over s minus negative 2 squared plus 9. So let's start to convert 9 into squared. So we have 3 squared. We have the value for b squared. Okay, we already now finished penetrating this formula. So we have to convert for s plus a. So we have s minus negative 2. Negative 2. We have to balance for the equation minus 2. So if we're going to cancel out, it remain to its original given equation. Okay, just the same. Then s minus negative 2 squared plus 3 squared. Okay? So that's equal to, so we have s minus negative 2. Okay, negative 2 plus 3, that's plus 1. Over s minus negative 2 squared plus 3 squared. Okay, this one is already hit for this equation. Okay, yan muna natin yung camera. Okay, so it already hit for our equation for this one to this one. Okay, erase lang natin. Okay. After that, we have to arrange ko muna dito. We have s minus negative 2 over s minus negative 2 squared plus 3 squared. Plus, we have the remaining 1. So 1 over s minus the same denominator squared plus 3 squared. Okay, this equation is already formed in this equation. This equivalent Laplace transform. But this one is not already equivalent to this equation. So we got for the value for, dapat 3 yung value dito, the same for the value for b dito. Okay, you have the value for 3, dapat 3 din dito. Okay, we have to change this one into the value for 3. So s minus negative 2, we have s minus negative 2 squared plus 3 squared. So plus, we'll change this one for the value for 3. Okay. But to change the value for 3, we have to balance this one. We have 1/3. Okay, to cancel out, the same for the value for 1. So we can cancel out, the same for the value for 1. Okay. 1/3, so 3. That s minus negative 2 squared plus 3 squared. Okay. Okay? So, tapos na. So, what we're going to do is, we find for the value of a. Okay, a is equal to negative 2. Okay, this is a. A, this is a, this is a, this is a. Value for a. Okay, for the value for b. B is 3. This is the value for b, and this is b. For this one, b. Okay. Okay. For the value for the Laplace transform f of t is equal to this s plus 3 over s squared plus 4s plus 13 is equal to, unahin muna natin ito. So, yung value ng a is negative 2, that's negative 2t. Negative 2t cosine of the value for b is 3 to 3t. Plus, we have the constant 1/3. 1/3, that's e. For the value of a, we have negative 2t. Sine for the value for b, we have 3t. Okay, 3t. That's it. This is now our final answer. Okay? Pwede natin yung lagyan dyan na open parenthesis. Okay? So this is our final answer. So, the Laplace transform f of t s plus 3 over s squared plus 4s plus 13 is equal to the f of t is equal to e negative 2t cosine 3t plus 1/3 e negative 2 sine 3t.